it is since it been back open. Like, ain't nobody brought a big crowd to it. I heard somebody saying, oh man, it's a little dip in the right lane, man, at the end. Like, I was just thinking when people say that ain't nothing worse than YellowBelly. And people running, shit, you can run in the foes of YellowBelly, but you know, people just always got something to complain about. They gonna find something. So, Twisted Soul, if you was me and you wanted to throw your first event with what's been said, which one would you throw an event at? Which one would you throw an event at? The cheapest one. The cheapest one, that's probably YellowBelly. The old dog said none. Hey, man. I was finna throw it away, but I'm going to go on drink the... I'm going to go on drink it. I might fit. Now, I don't know, man. I'm having mixed feelings on that crown. I ain't really no crown. The old dog said don't throw no event. Twisted Soul, you agree with that? Don't throw no event, none? You agreeing with the old dog or the cheapest one? Because I be having people saying they swear it. Look at how you should throw an event, bro. People should come. Uh-oh, grudge race. Hold on. Grudge race. Let me get over there. I changed my vote to none. Damn. Well, I guess I ain't missing out then. Find out how to even get over there. Okay. I'm about to check on them seats up there, y'all. It look good though, don't it? Other side. Squirrely on the top end. Let me go see about these other seats. See if I can learn how to get over there. Uh-oh, he getting old. It's locking up. Man, how you get I think you gotta go on the inside, y'all. Yeah, you gotta go on the inside. Huh? I already came and got it. Yeah, I'm on time. I'm on time. I came and took a bite of it. I forgot my barbecue sauce. It was so good. I ain't lying. Oh, live. I'm live. Oh, hey, best friend. Oh, yeah, this who? I ain't hear what you said. I know this best friend. Oh, this cousin. Oh, hey, cousin. Hey, best friend. How you doing today? Miss, I'm on Twitch. I used to be on YouTube, but it's something like the same thing. I'm on Twitch. Oh yeah, I seen him. I seen him. He alright, everything good. Yeah, everything. Yeah, he just yeah, he good. Yeah, he ain't mess up nothing. Okay, where y'all at over here? I think, man, this here might be a good race. Oh, I forgot to tell him you said, hey, best friend. Probably running 7.0. Hey, some of them in the 6s. We ain't watching nothing in the 4s or nothing. This right here, let me look at it, I'll tell you. Now I'll get him. Yeah. I'm faster than that. I get him. Okay, we got 2 big rim cars. Slack is one of them. Let's see what we got going. Slack. Okay, here we go, y'all. 2 big rim racers. I'm betting on this side though. He was spinning earlier.